Through Sunday morning. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches possible. Where? Portions of central Indiana and central and west central Ohio. When? From Saturday morning through Sunday morning. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Prepare for hazardous winter weather conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Persons should consider altering their travel. Here is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, and Pickaway. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches. Where? Portions of southeast Indiana, northern Kentucky, and central, south central, and southwest Ohio. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water vehicle in case of an emergency. In Indiana, visit 511in.org or call 1-800-261-7623 for this road information. In Kentucky, visit gokY.ky.gov for the latest road information. In Ohio, visit ogo.com for the latest road information. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 1 p.m. Sunday. For Perry, Jackson, and Benson counties. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 6 inches. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511 or by accessing the online traffic and roadway portal for your state. Persons should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid kit, and anything else that would help you survive in case you become stranded. Additional information can be found at www.gov/RLX as well as on our X and Facebook pages. Here is a winter weather advisory for the following counties.